love the pit, pit, patter of the raindrops. I love the buzz, buzz, buzzing of the bees. But the thing I love the best is to know that we are protecting these pollinating giants. The lines might not go exactly as I said them, but as we learn from nursery rhymes, bees have a buzz, and it's essential for providing us with food. In Jamaica, beekeeping has blossomed into a vital industry with over 4,000 Jamaicans now engaged in this sweet enterprise. Far beyond just a profession, it stands as a cornerstone of environmental stewardship and food security. Yet, this rewarding and sustainable practice faces significant risks, particularly in regions prone to natural disasters like hurricanes. As we know, hurricanes bring with them a host of destructive elements: high winds, heavy rainfall, flooding, power outages, and landslides, all of which can pose severe threats to bee colonies. Beekeepers are advised to use ratchet straps or heavy-duty hive straps to secure hives to their stands. These straps should be tight and cover all parts of the hive to ensure it remains intact during the storm's winds. To help farmers prepare for hurricanes, the apiculture unit under the Ministry of Agriculture would issue an alert 10 days in advance. This alert normally advises farmers to secure their bee colonies by strapping them down, clearing excess vegetation around trees, removing any extended limbs, and ensuring that their apiaries are not located in flood-prone areas. And if the hives are located in a flood-prone area, it is best to move it to a safer location. If relocation isn't possible, beekeepers should elevate the hive stands with bricks or cinder blocks to keep them above floodwaters. Duct tape or another strong adhesive can be used to seal the seams between hive boxes, preventing water from entering. If possible, covering hives with a heavy-duty tarp provides additional protection, but care must be taken to ensure adequate ventilation. Another thing, minimizing the size of hive entrances helps prevent excessive wind from entering, which can stress the bees and disrupt their ability to maintain temperature control. Lastly, beekeepers are encouraged to have a plan for feeding their bees in the event of extended power outages. Ensure you have an adequate supply of sugar syrup or other supplementals for feeding. As the nursery rhyme reminds us, bees buzz for a reason. Their work is essential to our environment and food supply. By taking these precautions, beekeepers can help ensure that even in the face of a hurricane, Jamaica's beekeeping industry will continue to thrive.